So this video is trending where the first lady is telling Nigerians that you don't have to start your business big. You can venture into small businesses like Akara and Kulikuli. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella.
And to start Akara business doesn't take a lot of money. To start roasting corn, or somebody even said about grant, you see they're saying that Kuli doesn't take much. We didn't give them a loan, we gave it to them as a grant. So we've encouraged Nigerians as best as we could. What is within our hands, I have given, and I keep giving. And those are the things we've done. I remember giving for TB. When I heard there's so much TB cases, I gave 2 billion. To breast cancer, I gave 1 billion. To food malnutrition, I gave 500 million. So those are the things we've been doing, and making sure we can make sure that whatever this government is trying to do, that it will see the light of the day. So in agric we've done, in social investment we have, in education we've given a little bit of scholarship, ICT training, and with NIDA. So, and all those are things, and we are still open, still want to do more. The narrative has really changed, has changed to challenge the average man, whereas the average man is supposed to have hope. So I like the idea that Mr. President said this is the renewed hope agenda. We have to renew our hope, and that's how we renew our hope, and that's what I have to tell Nigerians.
Thank you very much.
They don't give up, just keep. We're very proud.
That she said that they have encouraged and paid some amount of money to healthcare sector and all what's not, to empower women. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty. First of all, this video sounds so 1960 because we are in 2026, where you see in the countries like Middle East, countries like Asia and Europe and the States, see cutting-edge technology, where you see people thriving and living their best life, and the country moving and the system working. Now this lady is empowering Nigerian women and encouraging them to venture into small businesses like Kulikuli and Akara. It sounds very, very disheartening. And somebody, you see those women behind her nodding their heads. Of course those people will support, but the truth is you've got to love your people enough for you to be able to say such things to them. How can you come and tell Nigerians that you're encouraging people to start businesses like Kulikuli and Akara? Yes, maybe in exports, but Akara businesses, how many people do you think that will excel and thrive and pay their rents with businesses like Akara? Out of everything, it's not as if we see Akara see finish. No offense to small businesses or Kulikuli, but what is this? What is all this? You forget that there is a lot of unemployment in this country, that we need industrialization. Nigeria needs to favor industries. This is 2026 for crying out loud. Unemployment rate in this country is on the high. Young graduates are moving out, are migrating. A lot of people have migrated out of Nigeria because the system doesn't work, because the unemployment rate is on the high price. We are not talking of the number of doctors, nurses, and these people, when they go outside the country, they are thriving, they are doing very well for themselves. Now another one is these people behind are nodding their heads. These people behind her nodding their heads. These people are the reason why these people in offices are not doing very well, because they forget to tell them the truth. They forget to say the truth, that people on the grassroots level are suffering. Nigerian youths don't have jobs. Most of the Nigerian youths are now resorting to fraud. You can imagine a Nigerian youth listening to this. Somebody in their 25-year-old listening to this thing. You're encouraging a 25-year-old to start doing Akara business and Kulikuli. Fine, in rural areas, Akara and Moi Moi and Akamu businesses, it thrives. But we are looking at Nigeria of 2050, Nigeria of 2060. Are we still talking about Akara? This is how these people will go and encourage in the north, mass work. We are talking about empowering women with technical skills and better things, not talking about Akara businesses and Kulikuli. When we look at the export side, it's very okay, but we are talking about women of 2026. Is this good? Is this country going to be better frying Akara in 2050? Are we still talking about Akara? Is this the renewed hope? Anyway, however you feel about this video, please leave your comments on the comment section. Thank you for watching, and if you've not subscribed, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell whenever you see these updates. That's it from here. I'm your girl.